My report is all about evaluating technology learning. The standard student evaluation of learning must change. Teacher must adopt new mindset both for instruction and evaluation. Evaluation must be geared knowledge and skills so that the learners can function effectively, productively, creatively. It must use to evaluate tools that measure the new basic learning of the 21st century digital culture, namely solution fluency, information fluency, collaboration fluency, creative fluency, media fluency, digital citizenship. The above six fluency reflect process skills. Reading. Reading, single text reading becomes less important compared with the empowerment process of being invaded by varied informative, educational, and recreational literature, textual, audiovisual, digital. Writing reports, essay, article, story, PowerPoint presentation, video script, drama, script, etc. Problem solving. This kind of assessment it also need to focus on the four Ds: define, design, do, debrief that empower the student to solve problems using higher level theoretical and practical thinking. Product outcome. Change from verbal textbook to digital expression, research-based outputs in various forms such as audio, video, PowerPoint, multimedia, etc. Evaluation must change. Next is mass maturation is a term which implies a mass stage of the student's output. That's all. Thank you.